Looking for furnace inspection in Cambrian Crossing? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to keep your home warm and energy efficient, especially during Alberta's unpredictable winters. Our expert furnace inspection service ensures your heating system runs safely and efficiently. Whether you're dealing with rising energy bills, uneven heating, or just need routine maintenance, we've got you covered. In Cambrian Crossing, fluctuating temperatures can strain your furnace. That's why our certified technicians provide thorough inspections, identifying issues before they turn into costly repairs. With Kingstree Plumbing, you get trusted local expertise, affordable pricing, and comprehensive service tailored to your home's needs. Don't wait for a breakdown. Schedule your furnace inspection today and keep your home comfortable all year long.